Hey there everyone, I am Anindam. Today I am going to show you my new project that is an resume optimizer. So most of the time when we apply for jobs, we create a generic resume template and we use that for every application. Most of the times that doesn't stand out. To increase your chances of getting hired, one thing you can do is optimize the resume based on the job profile. That makes it more likely to get selected. For that I built this resume optimizer. So all you have to do, you just have to fill your job title, the job description, and you can have different options here. You can see ATS Optimizer, Experience Section Enhancer, Skill Hierarchy Creator, and a lot of other parts as well. And you have to drop your resume that you have the current details, and you can choose the generative AI models here. Let's say you can use DeepSeek, Quen, and there are other models as well. So and you will get the results here. So first, let's see this in action. So we will go to the job description of Langfuse. So they are hiring a developer advocate. So first we need to have the job title and the details, and we'll paste that. So now I will have to upload my resume. So for that, one quick thing that you can try is go to your LinkedIn profile, and in the resource section you can save to PDF for quick resume. So I have downloaded that, and you can quickly see that it created a draft resume for me with all the experiences and stuff. So we'll be using this for the demo. Now let's just add our resume here. So it will load the resume, and as you can see here, our resume is loaded. And now we'll be choosing Experience Section Enhancer and optimize our resume. Awesome. As you can see here, it has given a lot of findings and improvement that we can do. And it has also given some action items. You can update the resume and create a LLM focused portfolio page, engage with Langfuse open source. It has given some personalized tips. As you can see, I have an experience on working with HyperDX. So it just mentioned that revamp the HyperDX onboarding guide, reducing the user support queries by 2%. So you can see how well it has picked my resume and find the key improvement that I can implement to increase my chances. Awesome. So now you understand how we can easily improve our resume and make it personalized to the job role. So now let's talk about the tool that I have used to build this. So for the LLMs, I have used Nebius AI Studio. So Nebius AI provides state-of-the-art open source models starting from DeepSeek AI, Quen 3, you can find text-to-text model, embedding models, text-image model, vision models, and a lot of stuff. And for the RAG part of it, I have used LlamaIndex, which makes it really easy to create RAG apps. You can also build agents with it. So if you are interested to know more about LlamaIndex, you can check my previous video where I have covered it in details. So I will link that in the description. So now let's see how this actually works. So let me go to our cursor. So the implementation is pretty simple. First, we are just importing all the packages. I'm using Streamlit for the UI, as you can see. So it makes it really easy to create a UI for your demo projects. And I love using it. For the embedding, we are using Nebius embedding models. And for the text generation, we are using Nebius LLM models. And we are creating the RAG completion function, which takes the documents, the query text, the job title, description, and the embedding model, and the generative AI model. So we are first initializing the Nebius model, the embedding model, and just configuring it. And then we have added the prompt here. Next, we are indexing the document using LlamaIndex vector store index, which makes it really easy to index your documents. Next, we are just passing the query here. And then I have added the optimization prompt. So where I have mentioned what are the suggestions it needs to add here. And we are just passing it here, you can see. And we are just returning the result. And that's it. And in this function, we are just, taking the PDF from the user and just loading it. And finally, in the main function, we are just taking the messages, the details, and we're just passing it. And this is a pretty basic Streamlit UI if you have previously worked with Streamlit. So you know how this works. So here we are handling the PDF uploading and we are just passing it. And these are the optimization options that we have. And this is the optimize resume button that calls the function. So here we have added the prompts that we needed for each optimization. You can see here we are just calling the run RAG completion function, passing the prompts, the job title, the description, the model, and the LLM. And we are just taking the response. And I have also handled the think tag. So the thinking part, if you want to show that, you can also show that. But I felt this is not needed for this project. So I just removed that from the response. You can keep it if you want. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now, if you want to improve this project, you can create an agentic workflow where you can get the job details directly from a URL and then pass the details to the RAG function, and you can optimize the resume. That will make the project more interesting. Also, I have added the code block for this. You can find it on this repo, which is Awesome AI Apps. All you have to do is go to the RAG apps. You'll find different examples here and go to Resume Optimizer. You can see a detailed README here. All the features mentioned, what are the prerequisites. You need a Nebius AI Studio account and the API keys. You can just clone this repo, go to the folder, install the requirements, create an env file with the Nebius API key, and you can just run it using Streamlit. And that's it, pretty simple. So thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. I hope you like it. Do let me know what are the projects that you want me to build next. So if you find this project helpful, feel free to give it a star. And if you are building AI agents, you can create a pull request. I'm happy to add them up here. That's it from my side. I will see you in the next video. Bye.